Michelle, I never knew you were here. Where's Tiffany?
Well, she had some business on the road that she take care of.
So, how she ask you to bring food and drinks and she's not there?
Good. I'm hungry.
And you tell Tiffany to make me come here, not true? So, what is this about?
Well, I need a big favor.
What? So, what happened now?
I don't know. I wasn't thinking beyond this moment.
You know, this all complicate things though.
It doesn't have to.
What do you mean, Michelle? We just had...
Carlton, I know what we just had. It's been a year. And seeing you last time just brought back memories.
So you plan out all of this?
Yep.
So, why me?
Why not you, Carlton? Listen, I just needed sex. It's been a year. I'm not holding you to anything.
Wow. It's so cheap.
Good. Long you know with you sometimes.
Michelle, I can't believe that you so nonchalant about this.
Because it was premeditated. I know exactly what I want.
I don't bother you that I might have somebody significant in my life. Why?
Because I wanted you, not her. Whoever she is. By the way, is there someone?
Well, it don't really matter right now, does it?
Okay. Well, this is where I say thank you.
For what?
For your service.
We still talk about this?
I'm just saying thank you. You need anything to drink?
Not really.
Come on, Carlton. Loosen up. It's not the end of the world.
Easy for you to say. Kind of feels like it.
What do you say to her? Carlton.
Are you lock the door? Never do it. It's locked. Take it open.
Oh, alright. Have you been good?
Good. What kind of question that? Of course. right, Michelle?
Yes, we've been good. Did you get your business done?
Yes, I did. Did you get your business done?
Yes. Me and Uncle Carlton had a long.
Great. Have you guys seen the news?
News? What news?
Uncle Carlton, are you okay? You seem a bit edgy.
Me? No? No, man. Edge. I'm good. Which bucket? I'm good. So, what's the news, Tiffany?